Today, we're going to show you how to install the Endurance 48503 7-blade connector. Approximate install time is 30 minutes. This quick and simple install will require a flathead and Phillips head screwdriver. The first step is to remove old trailer connector. Next, loosen screws from the 48503 connector and remove terminal assembly from housing. Route the trailer wires through the 48503 housing and tightly secure them to the terminal assembly based on color coding from previous step. The terminal assembly needs to be turned to match the correct housing key so the LEDs will remain upright. In this case, the vehicle housing key is facing up. Our keyway tab will be in position 1. Once aligned properly, insert and tighten screws. Installation is complete for the Hopkins 48503 7-blade connector. Now test the connection for functionality.